She is taking her 3G stick welding test. Doing excellent, family. You see how she's holding her hand and guiding it up there? There's certain things you do to help you stay straight and keep your rhythm going. We're using 3/32 rods at about 85 amps. Whew. See, she dived right back out of it. Let me get ready to get back into it. Looks good. It's so ironic, when they got started, family, they was having trouble with us striking the arc. Now they doing it so frequently now. Practice make perfect. Looks nice. Now we're finna bring it back on out. We got probably 1, 2, 3 more to put in there, and then we got the cap. So now we'll start right beside that one to be 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll be the cap. Hold on, family, she's getting it in.